Hello everyone and welcome to SmartRepricer Basic Learning Series. Today on SmartRepricer, we are going to learn how we can create a merchant list. From SmartRepricer dashboard, just click Settings and head over to Merchant List. What is merchant list exactly? When you create list of seller that you want to compete with or exclude or include any competition, these lists can be used when setting up your strategies. So you can customize your pricing rule based on your selected sellers. It's just basically smart pricer. It gives you a chance include or exclude any seller by their ID. So when you click add merchant list, you can give a list name such as like computation listing. So when you add any seller id, that means that you are going to decide is it included or excluded the seller that you would like to compete. So we just give a name on listing name, and we have also write the seller id. When I click save changes, that means that I have created my first merchant list with the competition listing, and whatever I want I can click edit, I can add or I can delete any user. That's how you can create a merchant list on SmartRepricer. We will be much more new video about every topic on SmartRepricer. See you soon.